This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Ram 1500 front bumper. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your truck's negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Next, you will need to remove the inner fender well screws, typically requiring an 8mm socket. This step provides access to hidden fasteners. Ensure you have all necessary tools, including a trim tool, readily available before proceeding. With the fender liners out, it's time to disconnect any electrical components. Unplug the wiring harnesses for your fog lights and parking sensors. Be gentle with these connectors to avoid damage. Also, check for and detach any washer fluid lines or other hoses that might be connected to the bumper assembly. Finally, use a trim tool to carefully pop out any plastic clips holding the grille or other trim in place. Now, let's tackle the main fasteners holding the bumper to the frame. You'll typically find 3 large nuts on each side, often requiring an 18mm socket for removal. These are crucial, so ensure they are completely loosened. Additionally, inspect for any smaller 10mm or 15mm bolts that might be securing bumper brackets or other components. Take your time to locate and remove all these fasteners. For the final step, it's highly recommended to have a friend assist you. With all fasteners removed, carefully pull the bumper straight off the vehicle's frame. It can be heavy, so proper support prevents damage. Once off, you've successfully removed your Ram 1500 front bumper. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.